Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to perform a hard reset on your Sony TV without a screen in 2026. So if your Sony TV powers on with a black display, if it gets stuck during the startup, these methods can help recover the system even when you can't access the normal settings menu. So first of all, instead of starting with the usual unplug method, first of all, you need to try forcing a reboot directly from the TV. For that, what you need to do is you need to simply locate the power button and the volume buttons. So you need to press the power and the volume buttons together on your Sony TV itself. And while holding these two buttons together, you just have to plug the TV back into the power and then continue holding it for several seconds. Now, in many Sony, Android, and the Google TVs, this particular step forces the TV to into the recovery style reboot mode, even if the screen stays black initially. Now, the second method that I can suggest you is you can trigger a full electrical reset. So in order to do it, you need to simply leave the TV unplugged longer than usual. Like you unplug it for 1 to 2 minutes, but this time you just have to unplug it for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Now, Sony TVs sometimes hold the residual charge longer than other brands, especially in the larger models. So this is going to help you a lot. Now, after doing this, you just have to basically watch the LED indicator carefully and pay attention to the red blinking patterns, the white startup lights, because certain blink counts can also indicate the backlight or the hardware protection errors instead of the software freezes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.